Chloe, what are we doing?
I don't want to take life either.
What are we doing?
Getting some dirt.
Getting who dirt?
Mr. Frog.
Oh.
Why don't you know? Mr. Frog. Hello. Mr. Frog.
Where? I don't see him.
He's
Oh, there he is. There's little Mr. Frog.
Mr. Frog.
How much dirt are you gonna dig for this little tyke?
Oh. There's another one, Mia.
Is there?
I heard it. I heard the leaves rustling. No,
Wait, did you see it?
I hear it. I hear. Come here. Oh God, he's somewhere. Nothing?
I don't see anything. Why do you just worry about little Mr. Frog? It's fine. I'm sure you'll be able to find him, my friend. Use your foot. Loosen it up a little bit. Oh, my bee.
And they already smell like shit, so.
How much are you digging for this little guy?